Hey everybody, it's Shake the Egg with Pyxis Lab, and today I want to show you a simple procedure on how to exchange your EH-765 electrode head for your ST-765 oxidizer plus pH sensor platform. Step number one, we're going to take the sensor away from the power source, disconnect it, and basically make it a paperweight. Step number two, we're going to do a precautionary wipe down of the sensor, remove any water buildup around the sensor, just so we're not getting any water inside of the opening when we remove the electrode head. The next step is to invert the sensor upside down, and you'll actually see it say unlock on the thread of the sensor, and go ahead and twist in that direction and unlock the electrode head. With the electrode head released, we're going to do another precautionary wipe down of the area, the sensor opening, the electrode head, some of the cables, the connector on the inside, again, the body of the sensor. We just want to make sure there's no water anywhere that could get trapped inside of this sensor opening that might ruin the electronics on the interior. So after a thorough check to make sure that there's no water in the area, that we've stepped away from our application, we can now remove the electrode head. On the inside you can see the connector, and there's a tiny release button that you can press, and it's that simple to remove the electrode head. So now we can actually use our replacement head and install it. Upon unboxing, you can find your replacement head, as well as a procedure guide on how to conduct this procedure, and just to make sure that we do it correctly, and then also a mounting tool to help us insert the new sensor head with ease. Using our tool, we're going to reach into the opening of the sensor and actually grab and prop up the connector, so that way it's easy for us to mount this new sensor head. We're going to take our EH-765, we're going to align our pins to the connector, and very gently just place it inside of there. You don't have to be too forceful with it. Just make sure that it's aligned properly. Place it in. You'll hear it click into place. You can remove your tool. And now that it's connected, we're going to take the EH-765, find the grooves, and allow it to click into place, so that way we can thread this thing closed. You'll hear it click like that when it's in place. And then you can twist to the right this time, righty-tighty, and seal this sensor watertight, so that no water is going to get in there, and we can install this back into our system. So a simple replacement method for the sensor head of our ST-765 oxidizer plus pH sensor. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. If you have any questions about the sensor, go ahead and contact us at pyxis-lab.com, head to the website, or reach out to us on LinkedIn. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube as well. We have a ton of different procedures to help you with our technology. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.